Hi, vlog day 3, 3rd August 2020. Today it's on time, it's 10 p.m. right now, so I'm not procrastinating anymore. So, a lot of things happened today. So, Raksha Bandhan, uh, it was quite good. I called up my sisters, we had a virtual Raksha Bandhan thing and all through online video calls. And then, but before this day started really weird. Like yesterday morning, like today morning, 2 o'clock. So I have a friend. Obviously, I won't disclose her name and all. So today's topic is basically like I was thinking a lot about these things, and that is why I thought let's speak about that year as well. This is a very uprising topic now. Like not uprising, like basically very sensitive topic. So it's about relationships. So this friend of mine, she is in a relationship with a guy. She is in relationship with him since she is in, I think, ninth or 10th. So now she is in fourth year engineering. So like it's probably like 4 to 5 years. But in her first year of college, like before that, like getting before she got to her college, first year of engineering, her parents got to know about the guy. So there was a lot of drama, and her mom was like, "Don't date this guy" and all. So that is why they stopped talking actually, and the relationship was there. But the relationship was there, but they minimized the contacts and everything. And she knew कि in future nothing will happen regarding the two of them. So she basically made up her mind and she moved on. But because she did not wanted to hurt that guy, she did not let the guy know कि she has moved on, and like uh, she probably isn't there practically in the relationship. So the guy is in the relationship, but the girl is not happy, obviously. Also, another thing which I came to know was the guy is really very possessive and insecure. So that is why, like, she was like, it's not only because of the parents' issue, but she was not happy with the guy itself. Like, she thought the relationship is a bit toxic. He was controlling her and all those things. But she loved him, he loved her a lot. But now the point is, like, it's complicated. The guy thinks the relationship is working well, they are talking uh, once in, like, no, like thrice of 4 times a day, sorry, 4 times a week. And that is why he's happy. So but she's not letting him know कि she is not happy. So the basic rule about relationship is you should talk, you should speak about what you're feeling. Like, this is from practical experience of mine. I have also been in a relationship, so it's 4 years long. In June only we completed our fourth anniversary. But what I like, we also had this insecurity issues, possessiveness issues, and our families are pretty chill, but we had these issues. But we talked about it and we solved those problems. So that is how things should work. You should talk. You should not hide anything from your partner in the relationship if you want it to have become a success. And then so basically now what is happening is she found a guy, a random stranger, and she got a crush on him. So she is uh, talking to that guy, but she has a crush on him, and they're talking like really very cool and all. But and the guy which with whom she's talking, he also has a girlfriend, but still he's engaging with her, so I don't know what kind of thing that is. Might be pretty casual. But the thing is, the guy, like her guy, the school guy with whom she was dating, he's clueless about everything. What is happening in her life? Is she happy or not? Or not? So yeah, one advice to me as well, and to everyone, if someone might be watching this, please be open in your relationship. Talk about whatever issues you have, even if the other person feels bad about it, or yeah, you don't have to think about what your partner thinks. You have to think how the relationship will, like you should think about the relationship ki if you want it to work properly, you should be open and trust your partner properly, and you should be pretty convinced ki the partner will understand. And yeah, if you share, then only you can come to a conclusion. If you won't share anything, then there's nothing to talk about. So yeah, that's one thing about the relationship thing. Other thing, the similar case had happened with one of my other friend as well. And I also had given her some advices, but she acted in the opposite way to everything I told, and ended up in really very complicated situation. So yeah. Other thing which I was thinking about today, like so firstly I am okay. My introduction I'll give in the next video, proper introduction, and what are my aims, what am I looking forward from the life. So another thought strike me: what if what I am doing consciously right now is a dream, and what I dream is the reality? So pretty tricky thing. Like you never know. Like that might be the real world. This might be I'm dreaming. I get up there, and that might be the real world. So yeah, if someone is watching this and is really interested to talk about this phenomena with me, the reality dream paradox, so please do comment, or you can contact me. You can mention in the comments. I'll get in touch with you and we'll talk about it. So that's it for today. Today uh, I did waste some time sleeping, but yeah, today was a good day. Yeah, so hopefully tomorrow also it will be good. So tomorrow most probably we'll be talking about me, what I'm doing, what my aim in life is, and why that aim in the life is. So it's pretty obvious though, like after listening to what my aim is, you'll obviously get to know about why that aim is. So yeah, we'll talk about it tomorrow. Bye, stay tuned.